Hey folks, welcome back. Today we are unboxing the brand new Yealink MeetingBar A50, an all-in-one video bus made for medium to large conference room. Plus, the CTP25 touch panel that makes managing meetings so easy. If you want to upgrade your meeting space with powerful videos, audio, and control simpler than assembling IKEA furniture, stick around. So let's dive into unboxing the Yealink MeetingBar A50. Spoilers alert, no mysterious extra screw or missing parts in the box. Alright, let's pick the Yealink MeetingBar A50 around and see what's back here. You have got the USB-B port to connect it to your laptop or PC. Then, there are two HDMI ports, one for your main screen and another if you want to hook up with the second display. There's also an Ethernet port for wired internet, plus the power input and an audio out if you want to add extra speakers. Setting up is super simple. Just plug in your screen, connect to the USB and Ethernet cable, then power it on. That's basically it. The MeetingBar A50 sports a solid build and a clean, modern look that fits right in. Whether your conference room is sleek or looks like a storage closet disguised as a meeting space. And the CTP25 touch panel screen is bright and responsive. Smooth enough that you might find yourself just checking in every 5 minutes. Both feel premium, no flimsy plastics here. The video packs 16 microphones with AI noise cancellation and echo reduction. Translation: your voice will come through crystal clear even if your colleague insists on auditioning for the next office karaoke night. The stereo speakers are loud enough to cover everyone around the table. Yes, including that one person who always strategically sits at the farthest corner, pretending to work while secretly scrolling memes. If you want to connect a Yealink wireless mic, here's how you do so. First, go to the audio setting on the CTP25 touch panel. Then, click on wireless microphone and choose Add Wireless. Next, connect a USB cable from the Yealink MeetingBar A50 to the wireless mic receiver. Once connected, the touch panel will show that the mic has paired successfully. Here's the Yealink presentation port in action. I'm plugging the port directly into the MeetingBar A50, which is connected to a display via HDMI. Once connected, you see a small notification appearing at the bottom left of the screen, confirming the port paired with the A50. After pairing, the presentation port can easily connect to your laptop or PC, making wireless content sharing seamless and hassle-free during your meetings. If you're interested in the Yealink wireless mic or the presentation port to enhance your MeetingBar A50 setup, you can find both available at SourceIT. Just head over to sourceit.com.sg to check them out and get yours today. Under the hood, the A50 runs on the Qualcomm Dragonwings 8550 processor, which sounds like a transformer, but really just means that it's fast and smooth. It supports Microsoft Teams Room, Zoom Room, right out of the box. Plus, BYOD mode for those who like to bring their own gadgets to the party. The CTP25 touch panel lets you schedule, join, mute, and share content with a simple tap. Basically, meetings have never been easier or less likely to involve "Can everyone hear me?" moment. The microphone picks up my voice clear and natural with minimal background noise, even if someone's making coffee nearby. Whether I'm sitting or pacing, it captures me perfectly. The camera delivers sharp, vibrant videos with great colors and wide-angle coverage, keeping the image clear no matter where I am in the room. Overall, the Yealink A50 offers excellent videos and audio quality, ideal for professional, hassle-free meetings.
The auto-framing automatically detects and frames everyone in the room, so no one is left out.
As for speaker tracking, it dynamically zooms in on whoever is speaking, creating a natural in-person view for remote participants. No manual adjustments needed, just focus on conversation.
For the intelligent focus, it keeps face sharp and clear, even if people move, stand, or change position. Ensure consistency image clarity in different light conditions. Make it easy for remote viewer to follow expression and stay engaged.
Picture-in-Picture show two video streams at once. For example, the speaker and a shared presentation. Keep both the conversation and the content visible at all times. Perfect for training, hybrid classes, and collaborative discussions.
All in all, the A50 is seamless and delivers professional experience. All feature works together for meetings that look polished and run smoothly. Remove technical distractions so everyone can focus on ideas and decisions. Keeps hybrid teams engaged and connected from anywhere.
The Yealink MeetingBar A50 paired with the CTP25 touch panel costs roughly around Singapore dollar 3,500 to 4,500. Yes, it's an investment, but think of it this way. It's cheaper than the weekly coffee run for your whole office and lasts way longer. If you want a reliable, professional-grade video conference that works and won't have you tearing your head out, this money is well spent. Okay, who's this for? If you're managing a medium to large conference room and want a pro-grade video conferencing setup, even your least tech-savvy team member can master, the Yealink MeetingBar A50 with the CTP25 touch panel is your best friend. It's designed to simplify meetings and make communication so smooth, you might just start looking forward to them. To wrap up, the Yealink MeetingBar A50 plus the CTP25 touch panel offers a powerful AI-driven video and audio experience perfect for modern meeting rooms. Its sleek design, multi-platform compatibility, and intuitive control makes it a winner and a solid way to avoid the dreaded "can you hear me now" calls. For bulk purchase or demo request, email sales@sourceit.com.sg. Want to buy one? Head over to sourceit.com.sg and snag yours today. And hey, if this video helped, drop a like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on more tech goodness. Thanks for watching. Got question about Yealink A50? Drop them in the comment below. We love to help. See you next time.